Welcome back to Autocar Zone. The CX-70 is specifically engineered for individuals who derive pleasure from overtaking on curvy roads, while simultaneously accommodating a significant amount of cargo in the trunk without necessitating the folding down of any seats. This midsize SUV, which has a wheelbase of 122.8 inches, focuses on providing ample legroom and cargo capacity in the second row. The CX-70 maintains the traditional Mazda SUV design, characterized by elegant contours that create an appealing posture, except from the back perspective where it may seem slightly bulky, although this is relatable to many individuals. The CX-90 sets itself out by featuring a distinct lower front bumper and all-black trim components, which may be selected in either a glossy or matte finish. The 2025 Mazda CX-70 unexpectedly premiered in early 2024. Instead of the anticipated smaller CX-60-based vehicle, the outcome was a redesigned edition of the CX-90, excluding the third row of seats. In order to determine if the CX-70 has any notable variations in character compared to its three-row sibling, we conducted tests on both the 340 HP 3.3-liter version and the 323 HP plug-in hybrid. The CX-70 provides a choice of two powertrains, each offering 3 different horsepower possibilities. The turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-6 engine is available in 2 options: a regular version with 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, and a high-performance version with 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The highest quality choice is the plug-in hybrid, which combines an electric motor with a 14.8 kWh battery pack and a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. This combination produces a total of 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The base turbo engine is offered in 3 trims: Preferred, Premium, and Premium Plus. The Turbo S and PHEV variants do not include the preferred trim level. Instead, they are available in the Premium and Premium Plus trims. Both powertrains are equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all CX-70 vehicles, including the PHEV, have a completely mechanical all-wheel drive system. The 2025 Mazda CX-70 has a price range of $41,900 to $58,905, which varies according on the selected model level and optional features.